everybody, today I want to talk to you about the automation with TextExpander that I created in a video a couple of weeks ago. That automation would grab the title and URL of an article that you basically landed on in Safari, and it's done like so. Here's a Safari Wall Street Journal article. I can simply be sitting on it, and then I can go to Microsoft Word and type the abbreviation for it, and here it copies the title and URL of the article you're on. And we can try it again so that we can be sure that it works. Here, let's try Jason Zwig article or column, and then we can, I don't even know if we need to copy it, but here we are at this article, and let's see if the same abbreviation would work. So I'm gonna type the abbreviation. Yes, it worked, and I did not even have to copy the URL. I was just the front window was the article that I wanted copied, and I moved over to Microsoft Word and pasted the title and URL using the TextExpander snippet. And you can see that video of mine from a couple of weeks ago up here somewhere. But today I'm here to tell you that TextExpander snippet is not the best implementation of this automation, because if you go to other sites and want to apply that snippet, it won't work. So, and I'll demonstrate that right now. I'm here on this article from the Wall Street Journal, like you just saw a few minutes ago. And then I want to paste it into a Gmail email. And by the way, this isn't my main account. This is just a test account. So if you're thinking you grabbed my email address, no, this is just a test account. And then, so I try to paste that article in here. News. What it does is it takes the URL and title of the frontmost window of whichever window that you're on. So that is not the best implementation of this particular automation. There is, however, a better implementation of this snippet using Keyboard Maestro. And so, if I were to go back to this article, actually let's try a different article so we can be absolutely certain that it works. Here's Jason Gay is a column, or here is one of his articles actually. So I can simply caps lock C to this article. Actually, let me do a Command L and caps lock C. Now I can go back to Gmail and do a simple Command V, and it grabs the article and URL, and it even puts it into a what do they call it? Markdown format, because I made a little change in that particular the script. But we can change that obviously. But using Keyboard Maestro is a much better implementation for this particular Applescript. And here is the Applescript. Do Command caps lock K, and it's just you give it a trigger. Here I have the caps lock trigger, which is all four what is it? What are they called? Command keys? Not command keys. There's modifier keys is the term. So my caps lock key hits all four modifier keys, and then I hit C, and it copies this whatever URL I'm on, and I'm able to paste it anywhere with a Command V, which is the regular paste. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a much better implementation than having this script in a TextExpander snippet. So it works much better. Well guys, that's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll have this script in an article on my website, so go there, and a link to it will be in the description below. And please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you all in the next video.